Today we're taking a look at the Carplay multimedia player. Let's open this up, show you guys what you're getting in the package. So this is the unit itself. Nice size. You have your memory card or TF port on the back, Type C, USB, audio and video in, and AUX in as well. So let's see what they give you as far as accessories. All right, let's turn this on. So you got your mounting, you got your audio and video setup, you got your 12-volt plug. So this is what it looks like when you have it plugged in. Now you can go to your memory card, you could do USB if there's a USB plugged in, you got FM transmit, and then you can go to your settings. Now, of course, you're gonna have it synced up with your car to hear any sound. There's no built-in speakers that I'm aware of. Easily turn the radio on and off. So if you want to have the radio, you got Bluetooth, you got your wallpapers that you can set up. Changes the back, which is pretty cool. Quick pair, car Bluetooth. You got your time on here. You can wire your phone link, so all these different devices you can set up with if you want. Carplay, dim mode, which is pretty cool. Tons of setups. You got your logos, your language, time, car back, auto backlight. Oh, there's so much that you can do. As you guys can see, touchscreen works great. Overall, it's a nice little unit.